Just doing some dry fire practice with my Glock 34. You can see I changed out the factory sights. You can see the red fiber optic in the front. Anyway, I was just gonna do some dry fire. Unloaded, empty. Because I've been getting into wanting to shoot this again, specifically for, let me, yeah, there we go, a little higher. Specifically for some GSSF events. And whenever I take it out to the range, I'm still dealing with the flinching in the low and left. And I don't know if that's, I mean, obviously it's something I'm doing, but I don't know exactly what it is. I don't know if it's my grip. I don't know if it's the trigger pull. Then the low and left isn't dramatic, but when you're aiming on center and you hit low and left, it's annoying. I've often wondered if the 34 has more muzzle flip because of the longer barrel. It has a little bit more leverage. Everything exits here and it pushes up. I've often wondered that. I've never shot the 17, which I would like to get a 17. It's a little shorter. Apparently there's some trick to shooting Glocks. I think probably because they're so top heavy, because of the polymer handle and polymer grip and frame. All the weight's up here. And in this case, you feel the weight really in the front. Really wants to tip down. I don't know, I mean, I'm hoping this year, I perform better than I did last year, I would like to think, but I'll find out in June. It's frustrating because I can do the trick of putting the coin on the front sight. But when you go to the range, it's always a different experience because you're dealing with just other things that are happening. I don't know. I don't dry fire a whole lot when I do it, so I'm not gonna be here for that much longer. But it's like I'm never sure as far as my grip goes if I should really hold this really tight, focusing on the pinky to kind of keep it anchored. Or like some people say, do like a C-clamp type of thing. So like there's actually a little bit of space here. Some people might argue no. Because I know a lot of people like this, they want you to close it all up. Get as much real estate as possible. I don't know, because sometimes it seems like doing the C-clamp helps with pulling straight back. And sometimes I've noticed that, just pulling the trigger, sometimes I'll see sympathetic muscle movement, and that usually kind of looks like that, which ends up being low and left. So I don't know. But should get a holster for this, that way I can... I saw it that time. A little bit of... adjusting my feet. What are you gonna do? Generally, I do that until I start feeling it in my arms or in my shoulders. You know, like I just need to take a break. You know, I always have this, which I specifically got to strengthen up my left hand because I'm right-handed. Anyway, just thought I'd share. Definitely want to look into other people's thoughts on how to shoot a Glock. Do you have any experience shooting Glocks? Do you like them? Why not? Do you not like them? If you like them, why do you like them? If you don't like them, why don't you like them? You know, I have two Glocks, but you know, like I said, I've been thinking about getting a third. So I don't know. Yeah, I like shooting.